What is up, everyone? Welcome back to my channel, and if you are new to my channel, hello, what's good, what's up? My name is Shara, and I'm super happy to have you here. If you haven't subscribed, go ahead and subscribe now. I love coming up with content. I am going to be doing an eye tutorial. As you can always see, I have not done my eyes yet. It's going to be on a palette that I just got. It is the Wet n Wild, not your basic peach palette, or not a basic peach palette. I saw that Wet n Wild came out in something new, and I was like, ooh, yes, I have got to try that. And I was just browsing Ulta yesterday, and I did not realize that. I mean, I knew that Wet n Wild was coming to Ulta, but I didn't know that they were actually getting Wet n Wild inside Ulta. Well, my Ulta, they had it there, and I was super stoked to see that it was there. And I wanted to grab like all of their palettes, but I was like, you know what, let me just try out one. And I picked out the one that just caught my eye the most, and it was obviously this one. The colors that definitely caught my eye were these three right here and that blue. So I was like, yes. And of course, like that transition shade right there. I'm going to go ahead and swatch the first one. I'm going to go ahead and dig into that shadow right here. Let's take a look. Oh, wow. Yeah, that's pigmented. I like that. Let's go with that blue. I want to check out that blue. I mean, it's not bad. It could be worse, but it's not as pigmented. I feel like it's kind of dusty, honestly. It's more so like a satin finish versus like a metallic finish like this one. It's definitely one of those shadows where you have to play with it on your eyes to see how it goes down. Last, I'm just gonna try a matte shadow, so let's go in with this like transition shade, because you know those warm colors, they be getting me. It's not bad. Definitely feels super soft and very blendable. So now let's check it out and see how it performs on the eyes. I don't have anything on my lids right now. I just have a little bit of Maybelline concealer on from highlighting, and that's just about it. Let's go in with this transition shade first. I'm just going to put that all over the transition area as well as the crease and lid. Now I'm going to go in with this orange shadow right here. I'm just going to focus that mainly in the crease area and then just blend what I have on the brush upwards just for that gradient effect. I'm definitely loving this shadow. It looks so pretty on my eyes. Going in with this deeper shade right here. Focus that more in the crease. This is such a pretty transition shade. I love this shade to like deepen up the crease. It's so pretty. Go back in with this orange matte shade and hit that right back into the transition area just so we get a very flawless blend upwards into the eye look. Now I'm going to go ahead and cut the crease, of course, going in with Tarte Shape Tape. Really want to go in with this shadow right here. You know what? Let's go ahead and go in with this blue since I swatched it and see how well it applies. I am seeing like a slight gold shift to it. It's a super pretty shadow. I'm digging it. I like it. For the lower lash line, I am going to go in with this shadow. And we're just going to apply that as close to the lower lash line as possible. I feel like the eye look is missing something. I think I want to add in some white liner, maybe some glitter on the cut crease. I'm going to go in with Urban Decay's Heavy Metal, and this one is in Distortion. And I'm just going to apply that like right in the like higher part of the cut crease. Now going in with this NYX liquid liner. This is their white liquid liner. I'm going to do a wing. I haven't done a wing in a minute, so we're going to do that wing. Really hope I'm getting this in frame. You already know that a wing liner is so hard to concentrate on, and trying to keep in frame is even harder at the same time. So bear with me, guys. Ooh, yes. Can't find my L'Oreal mascara, so we're just gonna go in with this Max Lash Volumizer mascara by Doce? I got it my Ipsies. This will have to do. As for the lashes go, I'm just going to go in with my regular Ardell Demi Wispies. Wispies are perfect for adding enough length but not overpowering the eye look. Just lining my upper waterline, the black liner. Now I'm going to bind my false and real lashes together. Since I did my brows before I did my eyes, it kind of can get a little dusty, powdery here and there from the shadows. So what I like to do is just grab up my spoolie, Mario Badescu spray, just kind of get the spoolie wet, go in and brush my brows out, get rid of that dustiness. And then going in with this shimmer shadow right here, I'm just going to highlight my brow bone set my whole face. As that sets, I'm going to go in with this gold shadow. It just makes the shadow a little bit more pigmented in the inner corner when it's like set and wet. Makes the shadow definitely pop. Ooh. For the lips, I'm going to go in with my Colourpop Lippy Stick Primer, Prime Dim Lips. And then going in with the Colourpop Ultra Matte Lip in Love Bug. I think I'm going to go in with the white liner and make the glitter pop just a little bit more and go like underneath the cut crease. Here is the final look. Love how the look turned out. I'm actually very into this Not a Basic Peach palette. I love the color scheme that it does have going on. I love that they did add a little pop of color in here just because you never know when you need a pop of color, and it definitely pulls the whole look together. All the shadows that I used were super blendable, did not leave any harsh lines. They were very buildable. I did build up a lot of these shadows and they turned out to be very pretty, and the look itself is just gorgeous. The warmer tones are definitely my jam. Love them. Cannot get enough of them. Am I spitting some flow? Dang, I'm all rhyming and stuff. Definitely love how the look turned out, and yeah, I guess that's everything for this video. Like this video if you found it helpful, and please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I would greatly appreciate it. I'll also list my Twitter, my Facebook page, my Instagram, my vlogging channel all around this area, so definitely go check that out, and I'll have all the links down below as well. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!